firepower. This kind of stuff you don't want to take lightly. You want to hold it with both hands at all times, because it will overwhelm you and you will hurt yourself. Alright, what we're doing here today, we're going to be shooting these pop cans, and it's going to be a real southern experience.
If you hit the wood, it might jiggle them all loose for free bonus points. Nope, too high. Wow, it shot high. Good to know.
I'll just try with this. You don't have to do that without a huge timer anytime.
This thing's funny. I like it.
These are just BB guns, people. This is the one I'm going to be shooting with. So, yeah. It's your turn.
Yeah. Let's see it. Boom. Headshot.
You can shoot with this if you want.
Alright, I'll do one more with this.
Yeah, you can go closer with that if you want.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see. Alright, let's see here. Dude, I don't know where it even went. It zoomed up way high.
Yeah, that thing is a pile of shit.
Yeah, it's not good for aiming at small things. Alright,
I gotta pump that thing for you.
Ooh, it was so heavy it went right through it.
Yeah, that's because the wind is, blowing the cans off, so we put stuff in them. Next time we'll put water so then you can see the leak. Because why not, at least the initial one.
Here, let me show how it loads to the camera in a second. You want to shoot it?
Sure.
That was pretty good aim. It went right where it's supposed to. Meow meow.
I'll aim for the red can. I got it.
Yeah, I guess I get no points because mine didn't fall off.
No.
Alright,
Let's see here. I got, so I guess.
Alright, about here. See, you just pull it back. If you see here, there's the line of BBs in there. And just to make sure they're forward, and then you pull it back. Got it, and then there we go, see? Bam. Alright.
And then you just pump the front part.
Yep, and then it just pumps. Bam.
Regular old BB gun.
Yep. 6 pumps is enough to blow them away. Alright, let's see if I can hit the far ones.
Alright.
Oh, I missed. There you go.
Alrighty.
You aiming for the far one?
I'll aim for the blue one. Got it.
Oh, he's too smooth with his gunneroo.
These won't even kill birds. Also, there's a yellow jacket around that's bothering us, so if we miss, he might be being attacked by a yellow jacket.
No, I just suck.
Here, your turn.
Alright. Got it.
Nice.
And it's pretty accurate still, it just isn't very powerful.
Yeah.
I guess you're 1 point ahead of me.
In this game of life.
Yes. We each have 2 more shots,
Alright,
because I
I'll
say
go
so.
for the brown can.
Alright.
Oh, I missed. I saw I got past.
Alright. More short. Alright. Can you see past me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go for the gold can again. Bam. Tie
Nice.
game.
Awesome.
Final shot. Final snot.
I guess I'll go
Alright.
for the brown can again.
Yeah, we're about to run out of battery anyway, so yeah.
Fuck. Well, I guess I lose in a game of.
No, we're tied right now.
Oh,
We've
okay.
each hit 3 cans.
Yeah, you're right.
We missed one. So now whoever, if I hit this, then I win. Alright. I guess I can hit the close one for the easy victory. There we go. Bam. Okay,
Easy
now
victory.
whoever, okay, final thing. Whoever can actually hit a can hit the golden can with this wins. Here we go.
Oh man.
It's the ultimate challenge. All
The
right,
the blunder plug. The ladies and gentlemen, it's the blunderpuss. No, the blunderbuss shit shot. Can you fire this fucking thing?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. I don't even know how to even aim this thing. It's such crap. Let's give... No. All right, how do I shoot this? Tommy gun style.
Columbo style.
Jeez. I don't even know where it went. Alright, I'm gonna load you one. I don't think it went far enough.
God damn.
All
That
right.
thing is horrible, dude.
All right, let's go real close and try to hit it.
All right, let's see how close you have to be in order to hit this fucking thing.
Fuck. This thing's a pain in the ass to load. All right. I don't think you're supposed to cock it that many times. It's 6. All right, let's try it from the black rock. It missed.
All right, try it from closer.
All right. It jerked to the right somehow, or left, I mean. That made no sense.
Jerk to the left, or jerk to the right, or jerk out off, or jerk it up and down.
Alright, here we go. This has got to hit it. Okay, yeah, it just goes to the left quite a bit. It's got to aim to the right. Got it. Victory! Ha! Today's super secret bonus challenge is to try to hit pop cans on both platforms in one shot. Today's contestant is this stallion right here with his highly motile BB gun. Alright, let's do this. Okay then. Guess we lost a couple of cans. I guess it didn't get to the one behind it though.
I saw the one behind it wiggle.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
You
I don't
did
know
it.
if it went through the top of the first one, but it hit the back one.
Sweet, you get it. You're a genius. Let me
Might have
try.
gone through. Well, you know.
All right, here.
I think I did it.
You did it. Let me try do it. All right, 8. I don't know if it penetrated. I shot just below you on purpose, and did the back ones even wiggle? Oh, okay, I'll say that's a victory. It's a pretty accurate gun. I like it.
Yeah. It's just it doesn't have the power it once had.
Yeah.
Might have pumped it too tight and left it once.
Yeah.